guys, here's my pellet gun. I lost this thing. And it's really sad. But it's okay. I want to restore it. But for now, I have this one. And it's really nice. It's really nice for attack. Does many damage to people for protection. I have the M20. Okay, that's it. Bye.